How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to properly pack a bearing. Now first off, when you have a brand new bearing, you want to use a pair. Even though the old race fits the new bearing, you don't want to put a new bearing in the old race. Always replace the pair. There's a reason why the kit comes with both. If there's an oily film on the bearing, you want to wash it off. Use a cleaner like Brake Clean and make sure it's dry and clean before you start greasing it. Now normally you would put this into a bearing packer. Now if you don't have a bearing packer, you can still do the job, it's just a little bit more messy. Now what I like to do is have a clean rag on the table and have some gloves, because this is going to get messy. Now I want to start off with a dab of grease on my hand, and with the bearing facing down, you want slowly just scraping. Now this might take a little bit, but you really want to properly grease it. Now you're just going to slowly scrape and you're pushing it through every bearing. Eventually you'll start seeing it come through. See right here? Now you have to do this all around. I know it's time consuming, but it's the proper way to do it. And that's why people buy the bearing packer, because it's a little faster. You just put the bearing in and you press on top and all the bearing just ooze right through. See how it comes through right here? We're a quarter way done. You all set? Now if I'm doing a job where I'm doing a pair of bearings, I like to lay out all my bearings and pack it all at once so that I can discard these gloves. And I usually lay it down and you can pick it up just with your fingertips when you're installing it, so you don't have to get your second pair of gloves all dirty. Make sure you just coat everywhere that you see bare metal, because any moisture will start rusting out the exposed surface. After you install the bearing race, you could just add a film of grease, and that's all it needs. Because once this sit inside the comb, all it needs is that thin layer of film. Now to get rid of these gloves, I usually pull it through. Second. Ready for the next pair of gloves.